What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Right here is a 2023 Acura Integra A-spec. 2023 Acura Integra A-spec. I'm going to show you guys how to take off the trim panel, this glass, and also I will show you how to take this handle off. This handle and the small lock handle right with this tool. Go ahead and get your flathead screwdriver, guys, small one. You see the door motor piece right here. Use the flathead, guys, and go ahead and dig right in the groove of it, right at the tip. We're gonna pop this piece up. So you're gonna put it right between the groove of it. Pop it up, just like that. Pop it. Comes up. Comes out. You're gonna put your flathead right in between the groove, right there, and pop it up, and it comes out. The reason why we did that is the screw right there, guys, is a Phillips, one of them. Screw hit it, check it out. Put the same flathead screwdriver, guys. Put it in the edge right there. And you're going to pry the panel away from the door. Just like that. Put your head between it. Take it out. Put your head between it and pull it out. Just like that. Pull it out. See? That was loose. But you grab it and go up with it. Comes off. Unplug the wire, that's it. Comes right off. Okay? Now, I'm going to show you guys how to take off the handle, but that's how you do that. Comes right off. Alright, guys, go ahead and get your clip with the Google. Take that out. Loosen the harness. When I take the harness loose, get yourself a razor blade and you're gonna cut around this plastic piece and take it off. Get up. Now, before we take the handle out, I have to show you guys something first. Let's take a look. Okay, guys, in order to get the handle out, you guys see this wire here? Get the tab up on the leaf here. You see that black tab right there? You're going to push that tab up. So push the tab up and pull on it at the same time. Up and pull on it. Alright? You're going to push the tab up and pull it away from this thing. Hard for me to do it because I have this camera in my hand. There we go. Alright, now that's loose. There's one more step left. Yeah. Over here, I want you guys to take out this plastic piece right here. Pull it out. You see this right here? That behind the screw. That's the T30, guys. Start tip. We're going to turn that screw to the left. Then you're going to use the flathead screwdriver. You're going to open up this bad boy right here, and you're going to stuck this screwdriver right between the groove there. A small one, and pry it out of there, but you gotta take the screw loose first. Okay? Alright guys, just stay tuned and watch the work. Now that we got this piece here loose, let's go take out the handle. Alright guys, listen, I want you guys to pay close attention and listen to me. Okay, listen. You see this tab right here, this two tab? I want you guys to use your left hand and squeeze that tab in just like that. You're gonna squeeze it in and you're gonna pull on this handle at the same time. You're gonna squeeze the tab in and you're gonna use your right hand and pull the handle backwards at the same time. That's how the handle come loose. If you do not squeeze this and pull the handle will not come out of there. You have to squeeze this in downwards, both of them at the same time, and pull on the handle at the same time. Okay, I'm sure you do it. Squeeze, grab, pull it backward. Open up a little bit and pull it backward. Come right out, baby. Right out. Okay, now we're gonna take out this piece right here. Let me go ahead and grab my tool. I'm bringing section back. We're gonna grab yourself a T30. T30 guys, okay? T30. Yes up guys, a T30. Start it. Gonna turn the bad boy to the left. All the way. Then you're gonna stuck it flat head. Right out. Comes right out, that's it. Don't lose those. Now, I'm gonna show you guys how to take that glass out. I'm bringing sexy back. Alright, we're gonna squeeze, pull out and back. Just like that. Goes right out. Woo! I'm bringing sexy back. Just like that, baby. Bringing sexy back. Alright? Did it. Alright guys, it's time to take the glass off. Go ahead and take this piece off. Take that off. Take this piece off. Take that piece off. Go ahead and plug this back in. Go ahead and turn on the vehicle, lock the glass. Guys, see that screw? Take that screw from there. Take that screw from there. Before you move those two screws, get your flat head. We're gonna take this thing out of here, this rubber. So if you do the flat head, put it right between the grooves and pry it out. See it? Put it out. What this does is make the glass get loose. Let's leave it hanging just like that. Take that one out. That is a number 10. Number 10. Take it out. Number 10 socket. Take that one out as well. Take it out of here, okay? Now, guys, see those 2 screws? Go ahead and take the 2 screws out. Front and back, and look up. See that? Comes right out, baby. Alright? Now, I'm going to show you guys how to get the front door apart. Guys, stay tuned. Watch the work. Don't forget to like the video. Support the channel. And run back with your boy, baby. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Go work your way and check it out. Rock!